Okay. So the bomb exploded at approximately 11 a.m. The bomb was placed in the middle of the police station to go off on a 1-hour timer. The bomb was made by Masked Man himself. We know that. Yes, he may have had people bring him ingredients, but he made it solely by himself. How do you know that? Well, only things that survived the explosion was some remnants from his cell. And that was a note that said, "If this survives, know that I did it. It was me." Signed, MM, Masked Man. In total, 100 people could be dead. And at least 15 are confirmed to be dead. Another 100 are in the hospital right now with serious conditions. We have 115 people dead on our hands. I don't know about you, but I don't like that. Now looking at all this evidence that we've collected, Masked Man stole a damn police car, crashed that. He said that he's going to be gone for a while. A lot has changed now. A lot. This is going to be difficult. It's not going to take us a decade to find him now. He's not going to wait that long to show up again. I'm going to make sure that next time he does, we're going to be the first to be there. To arrest him or kill him.